Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So by the title you must have guessed that in today's video I am going to be reviewing the brand new Huda Beauty for Filter Full Coverage Concealer, and this is a new launch by Huda Beauty. I think it launched last month and I picked it up last Monday, I believe. Actually I wanted to go in store and swatch some shades to choose my own particular shade. I was super duper confused about the shade and everything, so I was just waiting and I got mine from Sephora. So I will give you a demo and my honest 100% honest review on this product. And you guys probably know I am never ever biased with my reviews. So yeah, if you want to know what I feel about this concealer and my thoughts, my honest opinion, then please keep on watching. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this concealer comes in a cardboard packaging like this. If you have bought any of Huda Beauty products, you must know their standard packaging. So it's kind of this cardboard packaging. And talking about the actual tube, it is a plastic tube and it is kind of frosted plastic, and Huda Beauty and everything is written over there. The packaging is really sleek and compact. I would say it is very travel friendly. And when you open it up, here is the applicator. You can see it has a big doe foot applicator, and the applicator is kind of bent like this, and I have never seen such an applicator ever. So this unique shape of the applicator is really helpful for applying the concealer right here on the inner corner of my eye. I quite like the packaging. So packaging wise, 10 on 10. I have two shades with me today. One is 4.5G Granola and the other one is actually a sample, and this is in the shade 4.1 Graham Cracker. Now recently Huda Beauty uploaded a picture on their Instagram showing you a shade guide. I will have the picture here on the screen. You can go ahead and visit their Instagram page. That shade guide is super duper helpful, like super duper helpful. So I kind of followed that shade guide and picked up my shade. And yeah, for the reference, I use the shade 320G Tresslacious in their liquid foundation as well as in their stick foundation. And I am originally NC35 in Max Studio Fix, but I am currently a little bit tanned, so I would say I am currently NC40 on Max Studio Fix. So yeah, that is that. Let me just quickly give you a demo where I was applying the concealer, and then I will share with you my review. So I just have my base on, nothing else, and you can see I have quite a dark under eye area. Now let's just see how it performs. So yeah, I am first using the shade Granola. So I have pretty dark under eye area, as you guys can see, and I just have my base on. By the way, I have used the Huda Beauty stick concealer, this one over here, just to keep everything on Huda Beauty's side, you know, for today's video at least. So yeah, this is the shade Granola, and you can see it has a very strong yellow undertone to it, and it is very close to my skin tone. And I will blend it out in a bit just to show you how it performs. So here's my damp sponge, and let's just blend this bad boy out. So this is the concealer all blended out, and you can see probably the camera is picking it up. It kind of gave me like medium leaning towards full coverage kind of a coverage. You can see, of course, I have pretty bad dark circles, and if I use my color corrector, then it just gives me full coverage. But with this much of concealer, I think I need just a tad bit more. So here it is, and you saw This concealer is not one of those that like settle down pretty quickly and that just do not give you much time to blend out the concealer, but this concealer has a stretch to it and it gives you enough time to blend it out. And yeah, this is how my under eyes are looking. I definitely say that I love the shade. For me it is like my skin type kind of a shade, but of course if I need a little bit of brightening effect I can go on with a lighter concealer, and this is how much coverage I get with this concealer. It's kind of a medium leaning towards full coverage. Now let's just apply the other shade, shall we? A little bit here on my chin just to add that brightening effect. Now I'm just setting the concealer in place using my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, and the brush is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. You can see it covered up my under eye dark circles really well, and that hollow is pretty natural for me and nothing can conceal that hollow. But the darkness, the discoloration is completely hidden. Even from my mouth area as well, I have discoloration on my mouth area and it has covered up everything pretty well, right? So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So yeah, I am back with full face of makeup. Now let's just talk about the claims and everything. So it claims to be, I'm currently on Sephora's website, and it claims to be a buildable creamy formula that can flex from medium to full coverage while it visibly brightens and conceals. It is fragrance free, long wearing, crease proof, and made to move with you. It is fragrance free. It doesn't have any like strong fragrance, which I really like. I do not like a supremely strong like fragranced makeup products or skincare products, so I am quite happy that it is fragrance free. Now coverage wise, this is the main part. I have pretty dark, like heinous dark circles, and I haven't used any color corrector, and you can see it gave me pretty good coverage, isn't it? So when I first apply just a tiny little bit of this concealer, I get kind of a medium-ish coverage, but when I layered it up, it became quite like full coverage, at least for me. Now let's just talk about the pros and cons. First of all, this concealer blends beautifully underneath my eyes. Just a little tap and it's all blended. So blendability wise, it blends really nicely. Just tap and it is all perfectly blended. You can see, you even saw on the demo how beautifully it got blended, so that is a nice point for me. And it's creamy, of course it is very creamy and very lightweight. So I have tried their previous concealer, I did not really like it much, but when I tried this concealer, oh my god, it is very lightweight underneath my eyes and I really liked it. Like I am wearing it right now and I cannot feel anything like that heavy makeup you feel, you know, when you wear Tarte Shape Tape. You can actually feel that heavy makeup underneath your eyes, but with this concealer I cannot feel anything. My under eyes are really lightweight. So that claim is also true. It is very lightweight, and it says medium to full coverage. Again, agreed. 1 layer medium coverage, 2 layers full coverage. It conceals and brightens up your under eye area. Again, I totally agree with that claim as well. And now let's just talk about the longevity and everything. I have pretty prominent like lines underneath my eyes. So yeah, when I apply the concealer and blend it out, it blends beautifully and it does not settle on my lines that easily. Like no matter what concealer I use, they always tend to settle on my lines. So it is considered, it is a liquid makeup, it will crease, right? But the point is how long it lasts. On my under eye area, personally, it lasts up to, I would say, 7 hours, and then it starts to crease. And when I touch up and all, then it just becomes perfect again. I promise you, it is a very long wearing concealer and it does not settle on my under eye area. I have had bad experiences with other concealers, but these concealers, the settling is very minimum with this one. So this concealer is pretty long wearing in my opinion. It lasts up to 7 hours. It is medium to buildable full coverage, and the major thing, at least for me, is it is very lightweight. I give this concealer 10 out of 10. I do not have any complaint about it. I love it. I just cannot wait to use it more and more. You can see how beautiful my under eyes are looking. I am in love with this concealer. I really like it. Again, I have nothing negative to say about it. And this concealer, it's worth it, guys. It's worth it, and I am sure you are going to love it. And I love this transition of Huda Beauty from like cake face, full coverage, glam, towards like natural looking skin, like your skin but better, that lightweight consistency. This transition of Huda is like mind-blowing, and it proves that she actually listens to her customers, which is like really a really nice point for Huda Beauty. I have always seen that she always listens what her customer wants. So yeah, I highly recommend you getting this concealer. If you are on the market for a good concealer, definitely give it a shot. It is a really good concealer. And let me know if you guys are planning to get this concealer or not, and let me know what if you have tried it, let me know what do you guys think. And yeah, that was my quick little review of this Huda Beauty concealer, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.